Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall see how to transfer from Coinbase onto Bybit wallet. So as you can see, I'm on my official Coinbase exchange and I'm going to be showing you how to transfer from Coinbase to Bybit. So once you're on Coinbase, what you do is simple. You come and tap on transfer and then tap on send crypto. But before you tap on send crypto, you need to head over to your Bybit and then copy the receiving address. So I'll come to my Bybit application, and now by default my Bybit will be over here. And then I'll come to assets and then tap on deposit. Now once I tap on deposit, I'll tap on deposit crypto. And then when I tap on deposit crypto, I'll choose the crypto I want to deposit. For this case, I'll choose USDT. And then I'll choose the network, which is ERC20 for my choice. And then after that, I'll copy this receiving address over here. So after copying this address, head back to your Coinbase wallet. And then on your Coinbase wallet, tap on send. And now if your account is verified, it will automatically load up where you can paste your address and then send. And now for my case, my account isn't yet verified. It can show that. But that is the basic procedure for this. I hope this video was helpful. If so, like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.